The overall goal of this experiment is to demonstrate the formation of both hydrophilic and hydrophobic surfaces on silicon by irradiation with krypton fluoride and argon fluoride lasers from samples immersed in a low concentration of hydrogen peroxide solutions or methanol.
This method can help answering some key questions in the laser semiconductor interaction field concerning selective area chemical modification of the semiconductor surface, which may be suitable for biosensing applications.
The main advantage of this technique is that it can be applied for in-situ control of silicon surface wettability without affecting surface morphology of the semiconductor.
We first had the idea for this method when investigating a UV laser-based process for selective area formation of surface defects used in the technology known as quantum well intermixing.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical, as the air pocket free preparation of the sample chamber and irradiation with a homogenized beam of X-ray laser are relatively difficult steps.
To begin, use a diamond scribe to cleave an N-type phosphorus-doped silicon wafer with one polished side into 12mm by 6mm samples that are 380 microns thick. Then, clean the samples by rinsing them in D-limonene, acetone, and then isopropyl alcohol for 5 minutes each. Next, etch the samples in a 0.9% hydrofluoric acid solution for 1 minute to remove the initial oxide. Then, rinse them in deionized water and dry them.